to my channel. My name is Rachel and I love to create. If you are new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back, guys. So today's video is going to be about a DIY I paired up with my Wakanda video. So if you've not seen my Wakanda video, I'm going to leave a link to it in the description box. I'm also going to leave a card above for you to check it out. Please be sure to check it out. So if you watched my Wakanda video, you know I styled the Wakanda T-shirt in two ways, one with a fringe skirt and the other with a jeans trouser. So the fringe skirt was made by me. Yeah, I DIY'd my fringe skirt. So, and I got a lot of compliments about how beautiful it was, so I decided to upload the video. So before we get right to the tutorial, I want to give a shout out to my friend Tino. Tino made me look this beautiful on this video because she made me this blouse I'm putting on. Guys, what do you think? It looks good, right? So if you like to order from Tino, I'm going to leave a link to Tino's Instagram in the description box, so you could check her out and order from her. Her things are really nice and affordable. Thanks, guys. So let's get right to this tutorial. Hey guys, these are the materials needed for this DIY. I'm also going to leave a list to all the materials in the description box. The first thing you want to do is lay out the skirt flat. Then we're going to measure how we're going to put the fringe on the skirt. So because I did not have chalk, I had to use paper tape. So if you have chalk, you can use chalk because it's a better option than using tape. So I measured out the skirt. I measured like 2 inches, then I put tape. After I finished laying out all the tape on the skirt, then I was ready to glue the fringe to the skirt. So just measure out the fringe and cut. When gluing the fringe to the skirt, remember to tuck in the edges inside and glue downwards instead of leaving the edges, because if you leave out the edges, they are going to fray. So remember to tuck the edges in. So after I finished gluing all the fringe to the skirt, I removed the tape. And this is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for for watching, guys. If you like this video, make sure you like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you get notifications that I've uploaded a new video. Also, please leave comments in the comment section if you have questions about anything about this DIY or anything at all. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, peace.